In this short screencast, I will show you how to get some information about the data you have loaded in uDig. The first data type is this layer of polygons containing the countries of the world. There are two ways you can check out information behind the data. One is very simply the table view. Okay. And this will simply load the whole attribute table of the layer that is selected, in this case the countries. So if you select a particular country with the selection tool, which is located here, the box selection for example, you can also select more than one feature and then promote the selected feature to the top list. So if we want the whole of South America, we can just say something like that. And here you can see all the information of the attribute table. Another way is to use the info tool, which is located in the info category, and you just select it and it will show up for a single feature all the attributes, and it will also give some information by default about the geometry. So even if area and length, which is in this case the perimeter, are not contained inside the feature, inside the attribute table, it will anyways be calculated and shown here. One good thing about the info tool is that if you enable more than one layer, let's zoom to the selected region and let's pick up this part here. If you select a point and intersect more than one feature, it will show information about all the features that intersect the clicked point. So if we also have cities, not in this place, around here, it will pick up several lines, for example, and a particular city. So this is very nice if you have to query several layers at one time. The same applies to raster layers. For example, in the case of the blue marble, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to query a layer, but we will do it anyways. So if we just click, what it will say and what it will describe in the information view is simply the three colors RGB that compose the pixel that has been clicked. It will also give some information about the easting and northing that has been clicked, and also for the raster the grid coordinates. In the case, a bit better it is for our elevation raster, if we zoom in and click somewhere, it will really give the value of the elevation in that point. So that makes quite some good sense. Exactly the same here. If we have several layers selected, it will give information in that point for each of the layers.